Okay, two more. One more. Okay, I just saw it right there too. I was like, come on. Could have been a 4 trigger right there. Alright, hey everybody, this is Sarah with Midwest Slots. We're gonna try Buffalo Diamond. Now, the numbers aren't that great. I mean, I could try to shoot for the blue, but I'm only putting $20 in because Buffalo's mean. So we're gonna do 75 cents. Oh, it changes the numbers. So on 250, it's 57. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to do the 75 cents. So the numbers are way different. See, and then I'm not chasing it. I'm not going to chase it. Just give it a shot at 75 cents. See what happens. You still can get a bonus. A wheel bonus. This is a big machine. So that's gonna go up to the green. Now it's 8 free games. Go. Oh. You're missing one right here. Go. Too bad that couldn't be wild. That guy right there. And I believe it's only a 1 cent denomination. Yeah. Go, go, go. Buffalo! Buffalo! Go, right here. Wheel. No. Buffalo does what Buffalo does. Actually, the purple, I just realized, is at 105 games. That's pretty high. Just in the middle reel there. Come on. Only got 1 diamond. Go, go, go. No. Come on. Last spin. Oh, I got queens all the way. All right. Give me a little more to play with. Go, go, go. Buffalo! Needed one at the end. Okay, right now. Do it. No. It is a tease, let me tell you. Tease, tease, tease. All right, I put 20 bucks in. I'm not gonna chase the numbers. That was Buffalo Diamond. All right, everybody, we're gonna play Lightning Link Dragon Riches. When I got here, that was 900 something. Now the major's maxed out at 1,000. So we're gonna try 100 bucks into it, see if we can't get something. We're gonna do 2 cent though. Add it down. Let's turn up the volume. See if we can't try to get it. So we need 6 of these, 3 of those for another bonus. He's wild. Button don't work very well. Some piggies. Snorted. So I'd just like a chance at it. That'd be nice. Blocked. Two more. Come on. Come on. Never played this game on my channel, so it'd be nice to get a bonus. Wilds. So they do line up. 50 cents. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. 3 more. Go, go, go. 3 more. Usually that's the curse. If they're in the front 3, you're not going to get any more.
Yeah, I'll be over there. Thank you.
Go, go. Does it go all the way? No. $1.20. 3. 1 more. That's all I need. All I needed was 1. Come on. Okay, 2 more. 1 more, 1 more. Okay, I just saw it right there too. I was like, come on. Could have been a 4 trigger right there. Alright, so we need the wilds. I think there's multipliers in this one too. I think you can get the bonus in the bonus. Yes, you can get the bonus in the bonus. Blocked. I got some jacks. Come on. 6 spins, halfway through. Better than $2. Nothing. Piggies. $17 to $20. Last spin. That was not that good. $20. Not that good. $2 bet. Here's a mini, 20 bucks. Try 5 cents at $1.25. Go, go. Nothing. Got my bet back and more. Come on. That was a horrible bonus. Let's get a bonus redemption. Wow. Come on. Ooh, it doesn't like the 5 cent. Let's try a penny at $1.50. Go, go. Got my bet back. Come on, Mark. Come on. I can see why it's sitting at 1,000. Go. Blocked. Wowzers. Let's go back to 2 cents. $2. $1. 50 bucks in. Come on. More than one bonus. Come on. Yeah, she's stingy. 2 more. Piggies. I don't think I'm gonna go past 40. It already took 60 from me. Last spin. Somebody else is gonna have to chase that major. Cashing out at 40. That was Lightning Link. Oh, what is this game? Dragon Riches. All right, we put 40 bucks into Rich Little Piggies. This is gonna be interesting. I just saw that red pig, so that's why I sat down. Typically don't like to play these games because you get totally invested, but we're gonna try to do some advantage play here and see if it works. Are there multi-denom? There is, okay. I think it's on 75 cents, so we'll see what happens. I wonder what happens if I don't want to do it. It's gonna hit the $1.50, but I don't know if it'll spin. Alright, just pop right now. Nice line hit. Oh, there's a lot of... Okay. 210 on 75, that's not bad. Alright, just pop. Go. No? Okay. Doesn't want to go yet. Wow, some really nice line hits on 75 cents. We're up $1. Nope, he's not gonna go. Let me straighten you out a little more here. Oh, come on. Nope. Hopefully the other two pigs don't get big, and then I really feel like I need to sit here forever and ever. Prefer a red. Oh, he grew a little. Really, what I want is the red. We're down $8. It's not too bad. Come on, red. That could have been a good line hit in the middle. Had a while. 363. There you go. Go. Oh, he got bigger. We're in Rockford today at Rockford Casino. I don't know about you guys, but it is smoky over this way from the fires. Looks cloudy and foggy out, but it is sunny under all that. Oh, he grew now. So now they're getting bigger. But this is only 75 cents, so. But yeah, it's really smoky down here. Oh, I'm already down to $28. How'd that happen? Just pop. Just do a rapid fire. How am I down to $25 already? Come on, go, go, go. Come on. Well, that should be decent, right? $6. Go, 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 go. I'm curious. Let's check the other denominations. Oh. 5 cent. 10 cent. Okay, so 75 cent on the penny. That's the biggest pig. Oh, now they're all getting big. Come on. It's got some decent line hits, though. I like that. Did put $40 in. So we're down. Come on, red. Oh, make it good. That should be good, right? $5.10. Come on. Go, go, go. Red. Pop it. Hey! Yay, I got it. Woo! I've never had the bonus on this game. 75 cents. See what happens. 7 3D. The mini's only $3.50, $3. Oh, come on. That should be good. It's a little loud. Turn it down just a little bit. backup spin. I got my piggy to pop. I'm not hanging around for those ones. So that was Rich Little Piggies, and we're gonna cash out at 34 bucks.